Why does even Claire Castro is saying that Bongbong Marcos is still okay? You don't really know how to understand what you're talking about. You say the word maayos po siya. Give him a break, Auntie Claire. If I were saying to you, unlike Dan Mardayaw, unlike Ate Dina Guillermo, unlike those Marcos loyalists who were vloggers like Sangkay Janjan and Romeo TV Vlog and Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan, Eskel Penumbra, you know, Claire Castro, you are a lawyer. You should never say that Bongbong Marcos is okay. He's very sick. Do you remember about the Nanay Ningning's husband? Uncle Eugene? He died also on colon cancer. What you gonna say to yourself, Auntie Claire? Huh? Whenever you say, whenever you like, when I upload this in my YouTube video, you're telling about the fake news. You're a fake news queen. Let's say again, paano nag-recover si Bongbong Marcos galing sa sakit? Like I said, he has a diverticulitis. I want to repeat it again. He has a diverticulitis. When I upload my YouTube video that Bongbong Marcos has a diverticulitis, he is very sick, like his father, Ferdinand Marcos Sr. Like, take a look, guys, this is Claire Castro. I do not want to say, Ma'am Claire Castro, where did you get that source? Ha? From the Bias Channel, ABS-CBN, GMA7, TV5, and even other channels who are saying that Bongbong Marcos is still okay, Bongbong Marcos is still very well, very healthy. Why did you ever say that he's healthy? He has diverticulitis. You know, this is very hard to those Marcos loyalists who are fake Filipinos. I think all of you have misunderstanding. You know, unlike me, I have a misunderstanding from Teacher Vincent Ramos. Or when Teacher Vincent Ramos watch the news, or he watch SMNI, when he watch Net 25, as he watch the news, that Bongbong Marcos is very sick. He has diverticulitis. Oh, I say again, he has diverticulitis. If I say again, would you like to say, Auntie Claire, that diverticulitis is also a sign of colon cancer? Would you likely to say that it was a sign of colon cancer? However, or would you like to make any kind of fake news? Oh, he has diverticulitis. I just wanna tell something. You know, I've been talk with Franco Morales in Messenger. Oh, he said to me, may sakit po si Bongbong Marcos. He has a diverticulitis. Claire Castro, you're not really smart. Franco Morales is very smart. Oh, if I were you, Auntie Claire, you should not be a lawyer too. At least you're being disbarred for what you have done to Leandro Libiste. I just want to say something to you, Auntie Claire. Where did you get those source? Oh, you are a fake news. Oh, just like I remember what was the wish from Cara David, mamatay ang mga kurakot. Oh, Even they're all, what is that before? They're gonna die all the corruption. I'm not gonna say. Oh, here's the one thing, ha. Eh, eh, Anti-Claire Castro. Oh, you know, you're an ally of Dan Mardayaw. Can you just enough about fake news? Huh? Whether you like, if you say about fake news or false information, let's say again, Claire Castro, what is diverculitis? Anti-Claire. Oh, you're just like a Chucky doll. You saying about diverculitis. So where's your source? Where's your source that you came back from the word? Hmm. Let's say again, oh, when I talk to Raul Lambino, my friend in TikTok Live, that Bongbong Marcos is using legal drugs. Oh, last year in TikTok Live, my good friend attorney Raul Lambino, and the recently when I talked with Franco Morales, oh, he said to me, may sakit po si Bongbong Marcos ng diverculitis. Would you like to ever you say that Bongbong Marcos had diverculitis? You know, Claire Castro and Dan Mardayaw always to politicalize against Kuya Rodelio Daguman that he's not doing anything at Cedric. I say again, Auntie Claire, where did you get that source? Where did you find that source that you're looking at? Nothing to get any source. Oh, would you like I become a Chinito Tusoy? Would I like to be like Banatbay? Nino Barsaga, Claire Castro, Romeo TV Vlog. Oh, and other content creators of Marcos loyalist. Oh, take a look. Oh, your Mama Claire is saying maayos po siya. Maayos po si Bongbong Marcos. How would you ever say that words that he's really okay? Eh, he's very sick. Do you remember what happened to Teacher May Tiburcio's dad? Her father died in diverculitis. Uncle Eugene died in diverculitis. The husband of Nanay Ningning. And even Claire Castro saying about, oh, may maayos pa si Bongbong Marcos. Oh, eh paano naging naayos? Like I said, she is very sick. Where did you get that source anyway? Where did you found the source? Where did you use that other source that you came from?